Hi, I'm Ellie Mann, and I'm a Postgraduate Technical Assistant, which we call PTA, at the Governmental Accounting Standards Board. The GASB establishes GAAP for state and local governments, which includes things like states, localities, and cities, but also things like hospital authorities, universities, school districts, public utilities, and retirement systems.
And I'm Rachel Cole, and I'm a FASB PTA, and the FASB establishes accounting and financial reporting requirements for both public and private companies, as well as not-for-profit entities that follow US GAAP. And regardless of whether you're a FASB or a GASB PTA, your day-to-day activities are pretty similar. You're working as a part of multiple project teams to help create and craft new accounting standards.
And as a member of those project teams, as a PTA on those project teams, you're doing things like conducting research, writing board memos to present to the board so that they can make decisions, conducting stakeholder outreach, and answering stakeholder questions.
I would highly recommend you consider applying to this program. It's an incredible opportunity to really grow in a professional development very early in your career. You're getting to work on accounting issues that you wouldn't get to see till much later on. You also get the chance to really delve in, learn a lot, and work with some incredibly smart people. Typically, you're working with PTAs on one level, and then right above you are project managers who would typically be a manager or a senior manager in a public accounting role. And you're getting to tackle really difficult accounting issues, and if it was easy, they would have already solved it. So it's a chance to really sink your teeth in very early in your career, learn a lot, grow, and just be a lot better off as your year comes to an end.
There's also a lot of personal benefits. So you get the opportunity to live in Norwalk, Connecticut with 20 high-achieving students that you would have never met had it not been for this program. And we've done things like go to a Yankees game because New York City is only 1 hour away, travel to Cape Cod, ski in Vermont. And so it is really a great opportunity to explore the Northeast. And the PTA network will benefit you not only during this year, but they're lifelong friends.
We understand that you may have some reservations about applying to the program. Ellie and I both did, and we overcame those and learned a little bit more, and we were both so glad that we did. One of the main issues and concerns I had was that I had already accepted a job at this point, but what I would say is that your current employer, or who you'd accepted a job with, is going to be really excited for you. In both of our experiences and talking to other PTAs, employers are really excited that you get the chance to be here, and it's a great opportunity for them. It's really prestigious, and so they like that you get the chance to apply.
I was also concerned about passing up a permanent job for a temporary 1-year opportunity, but I will say that there's a formal recruiting process that you get to participate in the back half of your year as a PTA that's similar to the one that you experienced in college. The firms come to you, and you also have opportunities to reach out to firms if you wish. But I think this PTA program can open a lot of doors for you. So for example, I was going to be an audit associate for Ernst & Young in Nashville, Tennessee, and now I've accepted a job to start in September for a senior consultant position in Deloitte's Mergers and Acquisition group in New York City.
And I know another concern can be that you've already planned where you're going to live, you've got it all worked out, and in that plan did not include moving to Norwalk, Connecticut. But I will say it's a great chance to have a year to live somewhere that you wouldn't otherwise. And the Northeast is a really fun place to get to explore. You're so close to major cities, there's lots of fun things to do, and you always have a group of people to go do things with. Hopefully we've been able to address some of the concerns. Ellie and I know are both very glad that we've had the opportunity to do the program and wouldn't trade it for anything.
And congratulations for being considered.